This tutorial shows you how to hide your online status from WhatsApp for Android. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Following that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. You'll see different privacy options displayed. Moving forward, look for Last Seen and Online at the top. Tap on it to manage your active status visibility. Afterwards, you'll see two separate options, one for Last Seen and one for Online. Tap on Online to change who can see when you're active. You'll see options like Everyone or My Contacts. Select Nobody if you want to completely hide your online status. This will prevent anyone from seeing when you're actively using WhatsApp. Now go back and tap on Last Seen as well. Select Nobody to hide your Last Seen status too. This way, no one will be able to tell when you were last active on WhatsApp. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn off active status on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.